Good morning, class 10 student, and I'm sure you're doing your work in time. This class, as you know, we are doing heights and distances, and there are many questions in heights and distances. So today also, you know that we'll be discussing some questions from your book only. But the important part is, are you able to draw the diagram by yourself? If not, then learn. Okay, this is the time to learn it. Question number 24 of your exercise I'm reading out. A vertical straight tree, 12-meter high, breaks due to strong wind in such a way that its top touches the ground and makes an angle of 60 degrees with the ground. There is a tree here. Okay, this is question number 24. Now I am reading the question and drawing the diagram. So this is the tree. Now vertical tree 12-meter high. So the total height is 12 meter. Okay. We have done one more question like this, but this is a different one. Its top touches, so it breaks somewhere from here. We don't know what the point C. Let the point be C, and the top makes an angle of 60 degree with the ground. So this angle, if this turns and it touches the ground, and this is 60 degree. Find out what height from the ground is it. So you have to find this height length BC. This is the height the tree broke. Let the height be h. Okay, and let this be x here. So the total height. If this is h, then AC as you can see is 12 minus h, because the total distance AB is 12. So this is h. This is 12 minus h. Now this is 12 minus h. Since this is just a rotation, it's like a circular rotation. This can be the center. Okay, so this comes and drops here. 12 minus h. Right. Now look at this diagram. In this diagram, you cannot apply tan. Every time we are applying tan and 60, tan 30, tan 45. But in this question, we are not applying tan. We will apply something else. So this could be sine. Because sine 60, as you can see, is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So sine of 60 we are using. Sine of 60 degree is equal to BC upon this could be say D, CD. And you should also mention the triangle. Triangle is BCD, CBD. Okay, triangle CBD. This is the triangle we are using. Okay. Now sine 60, as you know, is root 3 by 2. What is BC? BC is h. And what is CD? 12 minus h. It's a simple equation now. We just have to solve for h. But you will have to do some rationalization, as you can see right now. So let's solve this. 12 minus h multiplied by root 3, 2h. Okay, so what you will get, 12 root 3 minus root 3h is equal to 2h. Can be taken that side. 12 root 3 is equal to 2h plus root 3h. Okay, and simplifying this, what you will get, so I am writing it here. You get 12 root 3 is equal to h common. H is common now. So what is this? 2 plus root 3. So h is equal to 12 root 3 upon 2 plus root 3. But here it is in the denominator irrational number, so rationalize. So rationalization is done here. So what you will get is 12 root 3, 2 plus root 3 multiplied by 2 minus root 3 multiplied by 2 minus root 3. Now multiply. As in the denominator you will get 4 minus 3, that is 1. Very good. And here you will get 12 to the 24 root 3 minus 12 into 3, 36. Okay. So just solve this much. You have to put the value of root 3 also here. So you get 24 into 1.73 minus 36. Something like 173 multiplied by 24. You get 3 4 the 12, 1, 7 4 the 28 plus 1 29. And 2, 4, 6, 3 to the 6, 7 to the 14, 1, 5, 2, 3, something like this, 9 plus 6, 15, 1, 11, 1, 4, 41 point, so you are getting something like 41.52 minus 36, so I can just subtract 36 from here, 2, 5, 11 minus 6, 5, and 5.52, so the height at which the tree broke is equal to 5.52. That is the required height in meters. You can put the answer in block. So this was the question. What we have done, we have just simplified the question. Okay, so go through this one more time if you have not understood. Next question is again very important, question number 25. A straight highway leads to the foot of a tower. A man standing on the top of the tower observes the car at an angle of depression of 30 degrees, which is approaching the foot of the tower with uniform speed. 6 seconds later, the angle of depression of the car is found to be 60 degrees. Find the time taken by the car to reach the foot of the tower from this point. Okay, so what is happening? There is a straight, we can do like this, we can understand it like this, that there is a suppose a road, okay, and somewhere on the road we have this tower here. So let us understand this. Suppose we have a, this is the road, this is the tower, a car is approaching from here towards the tower. He observes that the angle of depression is 30 degrees. This one, this is the horizontal, this is the depression. Car is here at point A, LM is the tower. So this is also 30 degree alternate interior angles. After 6 seconds, the car is here, point B. This angle becomes 60 degree, angle of depression. So this is also 60 degree. After 6 seconds, he is not given us the distance, but he is given us the time. He is also saying that the speed is uniform. Uniform speed. Let the uniform speed. Okay, this is question number 25. Let the uniform speed, okay, be u meter per second. So I am writing in meters per second. Meters per second. So distance travel in 6 seconds will be how much? Distance is equal to speed into time. So we are writing 6 into u. That is the distance. So AB, the distance travel in 6 seconds is equal to 6u meters. 6u meters. Okay. Now once you know AB, you can mark this MB as x and LM as h. Okay. So now what is asking? What is the value of x? If you know value of x, then you can find the time which the car takes from B to M with the same speed u meter per second. So to solve this question, we'll apply trigonometry here in triangle LMB and LMA. So let us write in triangle LM. This is our 6u distance. Okay. So triangle LMB. We are writing tan of 60 degree is equal to h upon x. Okay. Perpendicular upon base. And what is tan 60? Root 3 is equal to h upon x. And what is h? H is root 3x. So this is equation number 1. And now we need to find in LMA. So I am writing LMA. Okay. Let me write here triangle LMA. LMA tan of 30 degree is equal to perpendicular h upon x plus 6u. H upon x plus 6u. Now we'll have to form one more equation from there. So let us form one more equation. Okay. So I am writing it here. This equation number 1 is as this. Let me solve here. So we are getting 1 by root 3 is equal to h upon x plus 6u. Take it that side, x plus 6u is equal to h root 3. This is our equation number 2. Now if I put the value of h from here, what I will get? X plus 6u is equal to h is root 3 into root 3x. So root 3 into root 3 is 3. So 3x, x plus 6u is equal to 3x. Goes that side, 6u is equal to 2x. So we are getting x is equal to 3u. So we have just got the value of this part, this x, 3u. Now what is the time? Speed was u meter per second and the distance is 3u. So time is distance upon speed. So time taken by the car to reach the foot of the tower is 3u divided by u. That is, because it is in meter per second, the answer is in 3 seconds. The answer is 3 seconds it will take to reach the foot of the tower from that particular point where the angle was 60 degree. Now it will take just 3 seconds. Okay, another very important question, you should revise it. one more time and go through the video one more time, okay? And then you have this another question number 26. It is just like that. The angle of elevation of the top of a tower from 2 points at a distance 4 meter and 9 meter from the base of the tower in the same straight line are complementary. The angles are complementary from two different points. Prove that height of tower is 6 meter. So what is the question now? We have suppose a tower here. Okay, this is the tower. Question number 96. One point is 4 meter away from the foot of the tower. Another point in the same straight line is 9 meter away. So it is not 9 meter further away. It is 9 meter away from the foot of the tower. This angle is theta and this angle is 90 minus theta. Though you should know that theta will be greater than 90 minus theta because this point is nearer. Okay, if you go near, you will have to stretch your neck a little bit more. That is why theta is greater than 90 minus theta. But right now, let's not consider that. Suppose this is h. Now, if I do it directly, you have to understand tan of theta from triangle ABC is h upon 4. And tan of 90 minus theta, okay, is h upon 9. This complete distance is 9. Okay. Now tan 90 minus theta is what? Cot theta, right? So cot theta is equal to h upon 9. So let this be 1 and let this be 2. So multiply 1 and 2. What you will get is tan into cot is 1. So you will get tan theta, okay, multiplied by cot theta is equal to h upon 4 multiplied by h upon 9. This is 1 and this is h square upon 36. So now h square is equal to 36. H square is equal to 36. So h is equal to root 36. Root 36 positive because you cannot have a negative. We cannot take minus root 36 because height cannot be negative. So h is equal to 6 meters. So height of the tower is 6 meters. That's what we have proved just by using tan theta into cot theta is equal to 1. There are many more questions which you should try here. They are all very good questions, and if you are solving this question, you will enjoy them. Okay. Question number 15 is given as the value of tan 15 degree as 2 minus root 3. That you should try and substitute the value. So in the next class, you will see more questions from this exercise, and I am sure you will be able to complete this exercise in 1 or 2 more classes. Right. See you in the next class.